Hey guys, I'm Vandana Dev. Today I'm going to show you two recipes. One is beet pesto and another is Moringa bhaji. These are both simple and very delicious and nutritious dishes. So let us see. First we will see how to make a beet pesto. Beet pesto is used as a dip. So here I have taken boiled beets. You can boil it in cooker or on direct heat. I have taken walnuts, cashews, and I have taken garlic fried in oil. Plus you have to add salt and blend it in the mixer jar. Now let us see how to make crispy moringa bhaji. For that I have plucked some fresh moringa leaves. Now let us separate the leaves from the stem. This way I have separated. Now we will wash it properly and chop it. Moringa is rich in antioxidants. It lowers blood sugar levels. It reduces inflammation. It lowers cholesterol. It protects against arsenic toxicity. It is helpful to prevent cancer. It boosts your immune system, lowers blood pressure. It helps for the weight loss, anemia, ulcerative colitis, and asthma. So it is very much useful for our health. Now we are chopping the leaves. After cutting the leaves, put it in a glass bowl and cut two onions vertically. Make thin slices and put in that. Now I have added two chilies. You can add more if you want or reduce the quantity as per your taste. I am adding some pink Himalayan salt, that also you can adjust according to your taste. Now I am adding chili powder, some turmeric and carom seeds. Now I am going to add chaat masala. Chaat masala gives a very good tangy taste to it. So I am adding around half a teaspoon of chaat masala. After that I am going to add coriander powder. I am adding 1 teaspoon coriander powder, which gives a very good taste to your bhajis. Now after this we have to mix all the things properly. After mixing, it will release some water, and in that water only we have to put the besan or chickpea flour. We have to separate the onions properly here and mix the spices properly. So now our things are ready. Now I am adding some chickpea flour. Here I am adding 4 spoons of chickpea flour. You can add according to your requirement. Here I am not using any soda or something. I am just adding besan, and I am going to add some 2 teaspoons of rice flour, which gives you very crispy texture. So let us mix the rice flour properly. Now I am going to add little bit water, that is 1 tablespoon of water. We don't have to add much water, otherwise the bhajis will not be very crispy. So mix it thoroughly, and then our batter will be ready for frying. So our batter is ready. Now in a kadhai, pour some oil and heat the oil. Once the oil reaches a particular temperature, add the bhajis. First we have to check whether the oil is properly heated or not. For that we will put only a small piece of it, and once we are sure that oil is properly heated, then only we will put the bhajis. Now we can add more bhajis. Now let it fry. Once they turn red, we can flip them. Now our bhajis are ready. We can take it out. So make this dish at your home and let me know how you like it. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.